Chapter 9, Solar Radiation, Heat Budget and Temperature. Today in this chapter we will discuss about the terrestrial radiation. As already you have learned, insolation received by the earth is in short wave form and heat up its surface. The earth, after being heated itself, became a radiating body and it radiates its energy to the atmosphere in long wave form. This energy heat up the atmosphere from the below. This process is called terrestrial radiation. Its mean, terrestrial radiation is a process which continues for 24 hours. During the sunlight hours, the receipt of heat through insolation exceeds its loss by terrestrial radiation. On contrary, during the night time, the heat is lost through long wave earth radiation. The earth radiates heat as a black body while radiation from the atmosphere is selective. The most of the atmospheric gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, which are transparent to the short wave solar radiation and only absorb 19% of incoming solar radiation, but about 85% of terrestrial radiation are absorbed by these gases. So which it is clear that atmosphere receive a larger part of its energy supply from the earth and not directly from the sun. The atmosphere is almost transparent to most of the solar radiation and absorb a large part of terrestrial radiation. It acts to conserve the heat energy of the earth. This conservation is called greenhouse gas. There is a huge difference between insolation and terrestrial radiation. So let us discuss about the difference between insolation and terrestrial radiation. Insolation is the heat and energy received from the sun. Terrestrial radiation, the radiation from the earth. Solar radiation, which is called insolation, is a form of energy which is in short wave. On other hand, terrestrial radiations are in long wave form. This short wave heat the surface of earth, but 14 unit of about the whatever amount of energy generated from the sun which reaches over the earth, out of that 35 units are reflected back to the space and rest 59 units reach to the earth surface. On other hand, terrestrial radiation absorbed almost by the atmospheric gases present in the atmosphere. For insolation, greenhouse gases present in atmosphere is opaque. This allows insolation to reach over the surface. But after heating up this atmosphere, heating up of the surface, the atmosphere in turn radiates and transmits heat to the space. Finally, the amount of heat received from the sun in return to the space. And almost the major proportion of terrestrial radiation is absorbed by greenhouse gases like CO2, ozone, as well gases form of water, that is water vapors. Thank you.